Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I don't know why I closed my eyes like that, except I've been drinking wine, so that probably has something to do with it. Let's get into it. We have a Stitch Fix box, and the shipping is so much faster now, you guys. Now that I think things are kind of calming down a little bit, it's still obviously a pandemic going on, but now that things are calming down a little bit, shipping's getting a little bit better. My hair's a little different today. I parted it different, so if you see me messing with it a lot, you're just gonna have to forgive me. So here we have our bundle. Look, summery colors. Now I will say these materials do not feel stretchy, and I did look at them before I got my box. And people have been asking how you look at what you received before your box gets to you. You just pretend to check out. So you just hit the, oh, already received your box? Check out button, and then it'll show you what they sent you. I try to be surprised, but it doesn't ever work. So I'm just impatient. My dog's on the ground over there. She just groaned. They don't feel stretchy. So it makes me wonder if I have a different stylist, because Kristen knows that I need stretchy stuff. So let's read our note. I'm going to put everything about Stitch Fix below. There's a description below all about Stitch Fix. You know, it's a styling service. You don't have to subscribe to it. Get it on demand like my mom does. Or you can get it every month, every 2 to 3 weeks, every other month. If you do want to, you know, do a subscription part to it, but my mom just does it on demand. And I have her referral link down below. So if you want to try Stitch Fix for the first time, you can get $25 towards your first box. If you click on her link, she would get some credit too. So yeah, check it out. I love Stitch Fix. Like, it is the creme de la creme of styling services, in my opinion. They send you 5 items. Let's read our note. Happy May Fix, Rachel. It's my 3rd May Fix. I see you have a history with another, see, there we go. I see you have a history with another stylist, but she must not have been available to style this for you. But have no fear. I'll take great care of you in her absence. I'm thrilled to create this fix for you, and I look forward to learning about your style with the feedback you provide. Taking price into consideration, I thought you may like this Skyzer blue jumpsuit that has a comfortable smocked back and a removable belt. Plus it's machine washable for easy care. Please let me know how it fits. The soft and stretchy capris by Liverpool offer a 26-inch unrolled or a 23-inch rolled inseam and a great price. It's Liverpool, so it's not going to be a great price for me. Add a pop of yellow to the capris by wearing the Fun to Fun split neck blouse, or layer the vibrant Emery Park kimono over a white tank. FYI, the kimono can double as a swim cover-up. Add the earrings to complete these looks. XO, Jill. Thanks, Jill. I'll try them out, but they don't feel stretchy. Which I know I have, you can put in your, like, you fill out the style quiz and everything, you can put in there, like, any specific things about you. So, you know, I put in, I have a large chest, I need stretchy shirts. So she probably didn't read that, I'm guessing. But we'll see. We'll still try stuff. We'll see how it works. Alright. We'll get into it. My dog's over there. My little sweet potato. Alright. Sorry for the crinkling. I had one person comment a few videos ago that said, why do you have to crinkle so much? Just open it. But it's paper. It crinkles. My dog is sniffing the package right now. Go lay down. No, go lay down. Go lay down. Okay, here's the jewelry. Sorry. Jewelry box. And this is the by Nakamol, N-A-K-A-M-O-L, Gramercy Stone Drop Earrings in light blue. They're very pretty. They are really pretty. They would actually go really good with what I'm wearing, which is also from Stitch Fix. Here are the earrings. They are really, really sparkly, really pretty. Yeah, those are pretty. So they're gold, and then they have silver too, so they'll go with anything. I've only kept one piece of jewelry, I think, from Stitch Fix before, and they were Kate Spade studs. But these are really pretty. Specifically that stone in the middle, I think, is really sparkly and pretty. Okay, Jill. You got me there. Let's see. Okay, so this is the Fun to Fun. No stretch. Fun to Fun. Walden split neck blouse in yellow. And I'm not a huge fan of the split necks personally, but you never know. So it just has that kind of yellow, mustardy yellow, white floral. We'll see. Next we have the Emery Park Landy Crochet Trim Kimono in mustard as well. And that's pretty. As you can tell, I like floral. So it has this nice crochet on the back there. And then down, 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 down. Has it down the front as well. Does it have any on the sleeves? Yep, and then it has it on the end of the sleeves too. That's pretty. I do have a yellow kimono already, but I don't wear it a lot. Because I'm not super thrilled with the one I have already. So this might be an option. Let's see. Okay. So I did ask for like any affordable jumpsuits or rompers, and I wanted some denim shorts still. I kept a pair of denim shorts in my last Stitch Fix unboxing, which I'll leave a link right up there. You can click on it. So okay, so this one, even though, let me read it first. You guys, exclusive. It's exclusive. This is the Skies Are Blue Danica jumpsuit in red. And even though the material is not stretchy by any means, it does have this smocked back like she said, so at least that part is stretchy. So that might make up for the bust area. And it's really pretty. No pockets though. I love pockets. Like this romper, I'll show you before I try everything else on, has pockets from Stitch Fix. It's marked in spruce. I love it. It's a great length. This one has a tie, like she said, is removable, so you could like put a different belt with it or something. Spaghetti straps, and have to wear a strapless bra, which I don't love, which Kristen knows. But we'll try that on too. Hopefully the length isn't too long, but I really like that red and white and black pattern. It's like classic. Classic. And last we have the Liverpool Mirabella Capri Skinny Jean in Indigo. So they have the stretchy waistband, at least, and then are the fake pockets in the front. So not a fan of fake pockets. It has real back pockets though, and they're the Capri length, and they have it cuffed already, but you can uncuff it if you want to, and you can cuff it some more. You can cuff it all the way up to your knee. Probably not, but so there are those. At least those have stretch. Those are our 5 items. Let's get to trying them on. So this is my romper. I got, I don't know, I think like July of last year maybe, from Market and Spruce from Stitch Fix. I love it. It's so cute. It is, you know, at first I was like, why would they have a romper with long sleeves and shorts? But it's pretty lightweight. You can roll the sleeves up. I mean, it's so cute. It's so comfy. It's stretchy. I love it. So cute. Anywho, let's get into the stuff I got today. The shirt does not fit like I thought, but here it is. So, too tight. If you didn't have a large bust like myself, it'd be super cute on you. That's all I have to say about that. I like the color, obviously. I love yellow. Here are the capris, which also, I'm not in love with the waist. I think if it were not a stretchy waist and it was actually a button enclosure, I would like it better for once. I like the dark denim. Let me pan down. I'll show you the bottoms where it hits on me. Bow, bow, bow. So here are the bottoms. Sorry it's a little dark. There we go. So it hits kind of like, I don't know, just a little few inches above the ankle there. I'm not thrilled with them. They're comfortable enough. But I'm really looking for like actual shorts and not capris. So real back pockets, as we said, fake front pockets there. But yeah, not keeping. Let's put on something else. Okay, we have our trusty old white t-shirt on. Goes with everything. And here we have the kimono. So tag pokes me in the neck. Okay. That's cute. That is cute. Okay, I just got my Wantable box as well. I got a kimono in that, which I think the Wantable box is going up before this one. I don't know which one I like better. I think I like this one better. It's cute. It's a long kimono. Let me pan down and show you how long this is. That's what she said. It is a long kimono, but it looks cute. These are my shorts I kept from my last Stitch Fix box. The Dear John. I love them. Perfect length. It looks cute with this kimono, you guys. Can't say no to a spring summer yellow with that cute crochet trim. Ugh. What do you guys think? I think it's cute. The cute back. Wear it over your swimsuit like she said. Now I just need, my one swimsuit that I just got this year so far is a one piece and it's yellow, so I wouldn't wear it with that. But if I had just like a black and white, solid whatever swimsuit, I don't know. That's cute. I could wear it to work. That is cute. What do we think about this one? Can twirl in it. It's really, I don't know. What do you guys think? Not gonna lie, I started to like panic sweat when I was putting this on. Because as we have established, there's no stretch. But I love the color. I love the pattern, Jill. If you ever watch this, I love the color and pattern. Like, I love the color and pattern. But, and I'm sure it might look fine on camera. I don't know. There's no stretch. There's no stretch. There's no pockets. I think if it had pockets, I would like it a whole lot more. I love the color. And, you know, I don't have any spaghetti strap anything, really. I would wear a strapless bra with this if I liked it enough. There's the back. Back is smocked. Let's pan down. The length isn't too bad either for being, you know, a jumpsuit. But yeah, it just goes right to like the tops of my feet. Maybe a little past tops of my feet. I definitely have to wear like wedges or something for sure with this. But for like a fancier, like, you know, summer wedding or something, I don't know, going on a night out, it's cute, but there's no stretch. If this were a knit in this pattern, dude, I'd be all over it. I don't know why I called you dude. But, or like even as like a tank top, look how cute that looks. But, no, there's just no stretch, which is unfortunate. So the only, oh, I have the earrings too. The only thing I'm liking so far is that kimono. But let me clean the earrings and we'll try those on. Okay, so here we have the earrings. I cleaned them with alcohol in case anyone was wondering how I clean them. So they're a good size. They're a good dangle. My chair is so loud. They're a good dangly earring. I think they're called like chandelier earrings, aren't they? They're pretty. I'm not really in the need for jewelry right now, but they are pretty. I don't know. I was gonna go take them out, but we'll just leave them on while we go over prices. They're good length. That's what she said. Okay. Sorry. Alright, let's go over prices. So I have a Style Pass, which a few of you have also asked how you get the Style Pass. Style Pass is $49 for fixes for the whole year. You don't have to pay a $20 styling fee each time. And they just randomly offer it to you. I was offered it March of 19. And then once that year ends, I feel like we're crooked. Once that year ends, then they offer it to you again. So I don't have a $20 styling fee. Now when you have a $20 styling fee, if you don't keep anything from the box, you lose out on that $20, basically. So you can usually always find at least one thing in your box that you like. Let's go over prices. The Emery Park Landy Crochet Trim Kimono in Mustard is $44. That was the one thing I liked. I do like the earrings too, but do I need a kimono? I don't need it. The Nakamol Gramercy Stone Drop earrings are $38 in light blue. They're very pretty. They're very delicate. The Fun to Fun Walden Split Neck Blouse in yellow, $38. The Skies Are Blue Danica Jumpsuit in red, $74. Now, in your note, Jill, you said, you know, keeping price in mind, I'm not going to pay $74 for a jumpsuit. The Liverpool Mirabella Capri Skinny Jean in Indigo, $68. Also, not going to pay $68. I paid $58 for the shorts from the last fix, and that was on the high end for me. So my stylist picks up total $262. Kristen knows I like my boxes to be way less than that. The buy all discount of 25% off, $65.50, making my box $196.50 if I kept everything. And I do have like $50 in credit right now, so it'd be like $140 whatever 50, $146.50. If I kept everything, which I'm not because I only really liked one thing. But I don't know if I'm going to keep it. So you guys help me in the comments. Let me know what you liked. But yeah, it wasn't a bad box for having a different stylist. It wasn't bad. But I'm going to order another one soon because that's what I do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I do like all these unboxings. I have a fashion box coming, you guys. They had reached out to me to see if I wanted to try them out. And yeah, so I have that coming too. I'm excited. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And then hit the notification bell too. Because that lets you know every time I post a new video. Because as you know, I have no schedule of when I post because this is not my job. This is my hobby. So yeah, you guys, thank you for joining me on this journey of Stitch Fix for the 3rd box of May. Yeah, I really appreciate it. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time as my chair squeaks.